Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new vegan. This is Chuck, and I have some news for you. Yeah, I know I've been gone from YouTube for a while, been sick with the flu, and all kinds of stuff going on. But exciting news. Where do I start? For me, starting a plant-based diet a long time ago, back in 2008, one of the first books I ever read was this one right here from Dr. T. Colin Campbell, The China Study. And it was such a eye-opening book, and all the respect in the world for Dr. Campbell. He opened a lot of people's eyes. He's kind of like the godfather of the whole plant-based movement. So very good book. 2015 came around, and his son, Nelson, produced this documentary called Plant Pure Nation. Very good documentary. I'm going to put a link down below in the description, and also I'll put a card up above. It's free on YouTube, so please go check it out. Watch the documentary. It's very good. So what's the news? They have a new documentary coming out next year, 2023. And I got an early screening. It's a very good documentary. They have a whole new line of food products coming out with that one. So these are dried, powdered food packets. That's going to make it so easy for anybody to eat whole food plant-based. And they reached out to me about 2 or 3 days ago and said, Chuck, we really like your comfort food style recipes. Would you be willing to try our new food packets and test them, review them, and then come up with recipes for them? And I was like, of course. How could I say no to Nelson and Kim Campbell? So this is what they sent me. I have a box of food packets here from Plant Pure, and I'm going to do an unboxing today so we can see what's inside. I am so excited. I don't know where to start. So let's just open this thing up and see what we got inside. All right, here we go. You ready? Let's check it out. Get rid of the packaging. More packaging. I'll move this over here. We have cheese. This is their cheese packets to get the box out of the way. So they have cheese. They have a coconut curry. They have gravy, my favorite. They have a peanut sauce. And the last one, they have an enchilada sauce. So the idea behind these packets, these kits, is let's take a look at one. Individually wrapped, vacuum sealed, very nice. So you take this and you add water, or maybe it's a plant-based milk, depends on the packet. And you either blend it up, you mix it up, you may have to heat it to thicken it, whatever the case may be. And then this is the base for a recipe. So let's say I make potato mushroom enchiladas. All you gotta do is buy the potatoes and mushrooms, you cook them up, you make the enchilada sauce, you pour it over, throw it in the oven, and you have an instant meal. Same thing with the cheese sauce. Take a look at this. So there's a cheese packet. You add water, throw it in a blender, blend it up, throw it in the pan, heat it until it thickens. You cook some macaroni, you have macaroni and cheese. It's just that easy to make a nutritious, whole food, plant-based meal. That's the whole idea behind this. Make it as simple as possible for you to eat the way we do. So I am super excited to try these. My job is to take these food packets and develop recipes for them. And they'll be on their website when it's released. And the movie will be out next year. Stay tuned for that. And this is my job for the next 2 or 3 weeks, is developing recipes with all these food packets. They have more. They have a burger packet. They have a mayo packet, a vinaigrette packet, And I think there's a dessert slash cookie type packet. And with the burger, it's powdered. And I'll have the ingredients for all this stuff. I'll put it in the notes when I get that. But the burger packet, you add water, you let it hydrate. It'll thicken as it hydrates, and then you form a patty. You can either make a hamburger, or you can make crumbles for maybe tacos or sloppy joes, stuff like that. So again, I'm very excited. I'm going to try to come up with about 5 recipes of my own, maybe converting, you know, my regular brand new vegan recipes to include these food packets. And yeah, it's going to be fun. I can't believe they asked me, and I feel honored and privileged to be working with Kim and Nelson Campbell of Plant Pure. Thank you guys so much for reaching out to me. Probably one of the most exciting things that's happened. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Hope you guys stay tuned. And I'll do a review of each one of these. Today I'm going to make the cheese sauce. I'll do a separate video. I'll put it out on the internet so you guys can watch how easy it is to make, what it tastes like, what it looks like, etc. So I'll do that for each one of these packets. So stay tuned for that. And I will see you then back on Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck. Thanks so much for watching. And yeah, this is going to be great. Can't wait.